Hello! Today I will show you how to look cells in Google Sheets. To start, open the website. You can't do it on the app. Then come to docs.google.com. Make sure you don't have Google Sheets app and you are on desktop site. Then on your Google Sheet, choose your cells and click it. Then view more cells action and choose protect range. Then add the description and set permissions. You can choose only you, custom, or copy permissions from another range, or choose show a warning when editing this range. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.